Hi, my name is Cash, aka Cash versus Diabetes, and in this video I'm going to show you how I built up the strength to perform the dragon flag raises, and you're going to see why this hat is on in a minute, so stay tuned. Okay, so those are some of the adaptation exercises that I've been using to build up the strength towards doing the full dragon flag raises. I also do front lever training as well. And some of the front lever exercises that I've been doing, it works the same muscle groups as the muscles used for the dragon flags. So I do front lever training as well, which also helped develop my strength towards doing the dragon flag raises. But I'm just giving you a great example of what I've been doing to improve my dragon flags.